Welcome to Road Odyssey. This video is about Outlaw Off-Road Performance. What are they about? Well, they're a family-owned and operated auto repairs and sales shop, specializing in Jeep Wranglers, Polaris RZRs, lifted trucks, and Jeeps. They can help from basic needs like oil changes, check engine light diagnostics, to alignments, transmission, engine repair, lift kits, and customizing your vehicle and much more. They know Jeeps inside and out and can help you with any question you have when it comes to Jeeps. For example, Jeep buying needs, beginner Jeeps for teens, stock Jeeps, low-mile Jeeps, and lifted Jeeps. So there you go. If you've got a mail car that needs fixing up, maybe a brush truck that needs its suspension really worked on well, maybe you've got a Jeep that needs a tiny bit bigger wheel and tire on it. Or maybe you want to change the stance of that really fantastic looking Jeep of yours. Or perhaps you just need a little bit more lifting and suspension on that wonderful pickup truck that you take out either to hunt with or whatever. And you know what? This is just a really great shop. They are super busy. I have never gone by without anything in the stalls. They are fantastic. And they work on almost any vehicle. Yep, Outlaw Off-Road Performance. Hey, hello, how are you? Welcome to Road Odyssey. I am Bert. Hope you're having a great day. And please subscribe down below. I thank you very much and smash that like button. Now, this is video number 2 pertaining to Outlaw Off-Road Performance in South Maid, Texas. This is north of Dallas, north of McKinney, going up 289, aka Preston Road, and you're not too far from Gunner and Sherman, Texas. So it's a very, very easy shop to find and get to. Now, in this video, I have a lot of little video clips, tons of photographs from myself and Kevin, the owner. So I'm just going to munge all this together and provide it to you as best as I can so that you get a real good, a little more depth into what this shop is all about. So off-roading, so we're talking custom alignments, lifts, suspension, you know, things like that. Anything that you really need for off-road performance. So really cool shop. I've enjoyed going there a lot, and I hope you enjoy this. So here we go. I have enjoyed visiting Outlaw Off-Road Performance. Now, they are located north of Dallas, between McKinney, Durant, Gainesville, and Bonham in the crosshairs of 56 and 289. 289 is also known as Preston Road. Of course, they have a Facebook page that'll give you all kinds of good information, including location, phone number, and other ways to contact them. They also have a web page. I would encourage you to check it out, and you can find cars in their inventory for sale, of which you will often see cars parked out front that are for sale. And here's just a quick look of a little bit more of their inventory examples, including these Outlander, RZR, etc. And again, you can see other services, lift kits, wheels and tires, service, and repairs. Some interesting examples of work has been a mail car, a brush truck, and this cool old vehicle here, and these little guys. Yeah, they're a lot of fun. And don't forget, a fan boat. Outlaw can also help you evaluate the value of your car and help you find a new one. Here is a quick look out at the parking area. So just to let you know, there's plenty of room to, negotiate when you go visit them. A quick look at the front entry. This is the office area, and you will see several bays off to the right-hand side. So, yep, walk up to the front office, go inside, and just give a good visit. And they do have merchandise for sale, all in good fun. Now, the real fun is looking out in the garage and seeing what they've worked on. Remember, if you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe. Like many garages, they will pull a lot of the cars into the garage overnight. And yeah, they have a lot of vehicles to work on. Now, be careful of the ferocious guard dog. Brownie is really sweet. And so are some of the other dogs that give them a good visit. Now, looking in the second bay, as we kind of peer back in the back corner, that is the first project I want to tell you about. This is a dog kennel and dog hunting, whatever van. So it needed to be lifted by about 2 inches. So instead of doing a 2-inch lift for the wheels and axles, they're lifting the whole chassis. So I'm showing you the leaf springs, the shock system, dampeners, sway bar, and all that kind of stuff up underneath here. It is all definitely, obviously, been beefed up. So here are the extra leaf springs that are, going to stiffen and more greatly support the axle and wheels and all that jazz. Shock system, 3 different variable ways of customizing the shocks and how they ride, dampeners and such. So just kind of another look up underneath, kind of fun stuff. And that beefier sway bar links, all kinds of stuff up underneath there. And just a quick look up front as they're doing a little bit of work there. I thought this would be kind of fun. This is a older Land Rover Defender that they are doing restoration work on. And this is probably going to be a good year to multi-year project. Terrible paint job, just you name it. It's got all kinds of things to be fixed on it, but just pretty cool. Lastly, I thought I'd just show you some pictures and video clips of them working on a Ford Excursion. Obviously redoing the hubs and suspension on this fine machine. I'd like to end this showing you these pictures of a really nice job on a Jeep that they were just completed a while back here. Really cool situation. And then all these wonderful body parts being guarded by this German Shepherd. Going on this beautiful Jeep here. This thing turned out magnificent. I really, really like this. So just give you an idea of what is possible for you in the future. Check out Outlaw Off-Road Performance. Hey, well, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please subscribe if you like the videos that I provide and hit that like button. I really do thank you very much for that. And please consider going out to Outlaw Off-Road Performance. Visit Kevin and have your Jeep Wrangler or whatever off-roading type vehicle you have and talk to him about your needs. He can customize almost anything. So with that, relax, take it easy, and I will see you later. Bye.